In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repair Microsoft Edge in Windows 10 using the 2025 fix. If you've been experiencing issues such as crashing, unexpected behaviors, or just sluggish performance with Microsoft Edge on your Windows 10 PC, this guide will walk you through the process to get things back on track. Firstly, let's start off by ensuring that Microsoft Edge is completely closed. This means all open instances for every user on the device need to be shut down. You can do this by right-clicking on the Edge icon in your taskbar and selecting Close All Windows, or if you prefer, by using the Task Manager to end the Edge process. It's crucial to do this to make certain that no background processes interfere with the repair process. Next, we'll need to access the control panel on your Windows PC. While this might seem a bit old school with all the updates Windows has had, it's still an essential tool that gives us access to essential system settings and configurations. You can find the control panel by typing Control Panel into the search bar near the Start menu and selecting it from the list of results. Once you have the control panel open, navigate to Programs. You'll find this prominently listed because it's the gateway for everything installed on your computer. Our next step is to click into Programs and Features. This section houses a detailed list of all software currently installed on your system, allowing you to update, repair, or remove them. As you scroll through the list, you'll see various applications, but keep an eye out for Microsoft Edge. It might be a bit further down if your programs are listed alphabetically. When you locate Edge, right-click on it to reveal several options, and then select Repair. This might sound more complicated than it is, but essentially this tells Windows to check Edge for errors and resolve any issues automatically, often by replacing corrupted files or resetting certain configurations. The repair process itself should only take a few moments, but it depends on your system. Once complete, you'll want to restart Microsoft Edge to see if the problem you were encountering is resolved. Reopening Edge after repair allows the program to initialize fresh settings and load correctly without any of the previous issues. And there you have it, a clean and simple method to repair Microsoft Edge in Windows 10. This process can resolve many common issues and help you get back to browsing seamlessly. If your problems persist, there might be deeper issues at play, and we recommend ensuring your Windows updates are current or consulting a professional. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions.